In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create double outline text effect in Canva. This is perfect for bold titles, social posts, or thumbnails where you want your words to really pop. Start by opening your design in Canva. Any canvas size will work, so use whatever fits your project. On the left-hand side, open the text panel. Then choose Add a Heading. A large text box appears in the center of your canvas. Replace the placeholder text with your own and resize it by dragging the corner handles. For the strongest results, pick a bold, clean font so the outlines look crisp and easy to read. Place your text roughly where you want it. You can fine-tune later. With the text selected, go to the top toolbar and click Effects. From the Effects options, choose Outline. This instantly adds a stroke around your letters. Now adjust the thickness slider to 150. This becomes your first outline layer, so make sure it's clearly visible. Next, change the outline color to something that contrasts with your background. High contrast makes the effect stand out, especially in thumbnails and titles. With that first outline text still selected, click the duplicate icon. This creates an exact copy. Drag the duplicate directly over the original so they line up perfectly. Canva's smart guides and snapping will help you align them. It's okay if it doesn't look different yet. We'll separate the layers to create the double outline effect. Keep the duplicate selected and return to Effects. Increase the thickness to 200. Then change the outline color to a different shade or a darker tone. You now have two outlined versions of the same text with different thicknesses and colors. To stack them properly, go to the top toolbar and click Position. Choose to back. This sends the thicker, differently colored outline behind the first one. What you'll see is the thinner outline sitting on top, with the thicker outline peeking out from behind, creating that double outline look. If your canvas has other elements, you might need to click to back more than once to place it behind the front text layer, but keep your two text layers aligned as you do. Take a moment to preview your design at 100% zoom. If needed, nudge the duplicate a pixel or two for a perfectly even border. You can also tweak the two outline colors for better contrast against your background. And that's it. Your double outline text effect is complete, clean, and ready to use in any Canva project.